Hello everyone, here Ahmed Ark. In today's Revit tutorial I will try to show you, actually it's also special from the beginning because in this video I will try to speak in English. Sorry for my accent, but you have to listen. And today's video is going to be special. Why special? You have to see. Because of this tutorial I will try to show you how we can make this tower, or let's say this skin, and also the curtain wall and the shape. Can take a look. This is Tornado Tower in Doha, and maybe in the future we can choose any of these towers, and that's it. Actually, I can't take you now in a tour or something inside. I'm just trying to show you the skin and how we can make it. That's it. As I just show you now, try to do the Tornado Tower maybe in 8-9 minutes maximum. This video is going to be how we can do the shape and also the skin, the outer skin, and also the curtain wall. Let's jump into the Revit. Let's go. Revit, we just have to go to new and architectural template. We have to open a new project and architectural template. Okay, just a simple project. Then first thing we have to do is we have to make grid, just to know the center of the circle. Okay, that's it. Second, we have to go to elevation east or any elevation. We have to copy, let's say 26 floor. We have to just click on this, align, and let's say 26. Okay, let's make it every 3000. Okay, now let's say we can also here change if we want to add more. Let's make it just 26. Enter. That's it. Now we have, let's say 26 floor. Then we have to go to zero elevation, zero plan. Just go to massing and site, in place mass. I have to do mass here. Okay, now we are in create. We just have to go to do circle here in the middle. Let's make it. It is going to be draft. That means it's not pure measurement. Just to show you how to do the shape. Let's go make it 13. Let's make another one. Here it's going to be like that, maybe 7 or 730. Then we have to go to 3D. Okay, first thing we have to do is we have to make the shape with these circles. Okay, we have to press this one and to go to do copy, and then align to the select levels, paste, let's say, and we have 26, let's say in 12. Okay, and we have to make another one, let's say in 14. Third one is going to be the big one, like this one. We have to make copy, then let's make it in paste, align to the last floor, 26. Now we have to share the shape. We just have to delete this. We just use it for the copy. That's it. Then we just have to select this with the control and select all of them. Then create form, solid form. Now we have the shape. First thing I want to do is just to copy this whole mass. Copy. I will show you why, because I want to do it like two skin. The first skin is going to be the metal outside with that shape. The second skin is going to be the glass, the curtain wall. Copy. From here we just going to do it here. Later we will bring it back. Okay, let's back to this one. edit in a place, just forget about this. Okay, first thing we have to do is select this and this one and divide surface. Then we have to go to rhombus, this one. Now we will get the shape, but it's just a little bit big. We have to make it just smaller. Now we can just change this number to 14 and this number to 14. Okay, now it's better. Now we have to make the family. We just can go to create. It's going to be fast, but just to show how it's going to be. Create file, new family. Now we have to focus in this. We have to go to matric curtain panel pattern based. This one. Open. Okay. First thing we have to change this because it's rectangle. You can see here. Now we have to go to choose the same one we already did before. Then void. It's going to change the shape of the panel. Now we're just going to do point here. We're just going to set the surface in the point. Set. Okay. Let's draw an angle like that. Okay. I just want to make it in the middle. Select. Then it's just, I will try just to make it in the middle just for the drafts. If you are going to do it for real, you have to focus in the measurement. Then we just have to select this and select this and solid form. I'm not going to change the material, but just I want to show you the shape. Then to load it in the project. It's the last project because I made before too. Just okay, we have now to go to the 3D. Just now select this and select the other surface, and we will find the family here already. Just select it. Now it's going to give us the skin. Because I didn't do a glass inside because I want to do the glass in the other 3D mask. That's it. Now you can see it's already give us the shape. Okay, now let's go finish with this and work with the other one. The other one is just going to be simple and fast. Okay, before let's go to the top and just select this and move it from here to the same place. Okay, then we just going to hit the same one. Let's make this hide. Okay, because we are going to work in this now. Let's make the surface of the curtain wall massing inside. Then we do just the curtain system. For let's change this number because 4 is going to be a little not too much. We have to make it 10. Here maybe 16. Okay. Select this, control, select the other one, other surface, then create system. That's it. This is now glass curtain wall. Now we want to do it the floors. We just have to select it, then massing, floor, create floor. Oh sorry, I don't know why the select is gone. Select it. Okay, after we select it, we just set the mass floor. Then we just have to choose the first one, then go to the last one with holding the shift. Then it's going to do like this. Select all of the layers, then we just select the correct, then okay. Now it's going to show us the floor, but this is still now it's without any thickness. we just have to add the floors. How we can add the floors? Going to the masking side, then now hitting the floor and just select all of them, because it's not going to select all the projects, it's only going to select the structural floor, and create floor. Now it's showing us the thickness of the floor, and we just need the surface. I already hide it. Now we just go to this classes and just bring it back, and that's it. We have the tornado tower. Just I'm going to do camera here just to show you. Let's make it realistic. Yeah, that's it. We have that tornado tower. Easy. Thank you for watching.